Okay, how to create solar system. So now for solar system, planets, we need to create a universe. Okay. So for that, a lot of footages are required. So what I'll do, I'm gonna create, means I'm gonna take few images. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna take word map. Okay. So I'm gonna convert that into sphere. Let's create a sphere, or convert the image into like panoramic image into kind of a sphere shape. Okay. And we can animate the sphere also. I'll show you all these things. So first thing, just go with, select new composition. So either half HD or full HD. So let's go with half HD only. So while rendering, to save time, you can go with half HD, or else if you want a better output, means you can go with a full HD only. HD video 1080. I'll just select and I'll give OK. Duration is 1 minute and 20 seconds is there. At any point of time, you can change this. There's no need to worry about this. Just give OK. So you get a new composition. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. So now, so what you have to do to create a solar system, you need to, first thing, you take a paper and you have to write down, okay, how I need a solar system. Okay, you have to do some visualization, as in, you know, so let's say your sun is over here, sun here. So you know how many planets are there, right? You guys know, right, how many planets are there?
Yes.
Yeah. So after sun, which is the next first planet will come? Mercury. Good. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
Pluto.
Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. It comes like that. So let's create Sun. So I'll just take a sun texture. So it should be like this. So let's go with seamless texture. This is called seamless. See, seamless. Seamless is nothing but here at the end and this particular end. When you wrap this, when you make this as a sphere, you don't get any line. Means whatever here the color variations are there, at this particular end also it is same. Okay, like this.
Yes.
So let me download this.
ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಳೆದ್ರು ಕೈ ಮುಗಿತಾಳೆ ಅಂತದ್ದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಡ್ಗಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತೀನಿ
Solar system. So this is sun. I'll save this. So similarly, after sun, I'll take Mercury. You have to take Mercury texture maps. So all maps. Okay. So this is Mercury. So then I'll take Venus. Okay, let me take this for Venus. Let me take this one, Venus. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth. One second, please. Hey, allocate vote to those people, man. Okay, ask someone to allocate vote. Okay. Okay, thank you. Muthu, I'll call you after some time and we'll discuss on another call. So Earth, you have to take the planet. So let's take something better one. Select something, which is having more details so that it looks good when you have a good resolution image. The output will look really good. Okay, I'm saving this image. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Okay, this is of Mars. Let's take Mars. So let's take Jupiter.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬದಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ
So I have Jupiter, Saturn,
ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಬೇಯಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ತಿನ್ಸಲ್ಲ
So this is Uranus. Let's take Uranus somewhere. Okay, let me take this one. So you know, right? In these planets, you have terrestrial planets and jovial planets. There are two different type of planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These four are terrestrial planets.
ಐನೂರು ಕೊಡ್ಲ 1000 ಕೊಡ್ಲಪ್ಪ
So this is Neptune. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. These are jovial planets. So jovial planets consist of watery elements. So that's why you can see a lot of blue tints in this. So this is Pluto. Okay, so we have downloaded all the source images, and these are our footages. Okay, so I have
Yes.
okay. So first we have downloaded six: Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Okay. So now let's take this thing to After Effects. Just import, just drag and drop over here. Just take the sun. Just import the sun over here. So Control Alt F. So you can see the sun like this. Okay. So now, okay, as we were saying, this is a texture which is having X and Y axis. You have X axis and you have Y axis in this texture. But we want a spherical shape, right? I want, let's say for example, you have a spear or a ball in your hand and you have one sticker like this. How do you wrap the sticker around the ball? That is what we are going to do in After Effects now. Okay. So in FX, select the layer. You need to select the layer. Just come to FX.
Yes.
In FX, you have perspective. There's an option perspective tool. Under perspective, CC sphere. Just select, click on CC sphere. So when you click on CC sphere, this is what you get. So automatically the image, it wraps on a sphere and you get an output like this. Understood? So select the layer,
Yes, sir.
press F4, select the layer, press F4, F4 so that you can see these additional attributes or channels. Okay. So here you can convert the layer into 3D layer. Turn on 3D layer. I want this to be like a 3D layer. Okay. So now what I'll do, so I'm gonna scale this. I'm gonna scale this and I'm gonna move this sun over here. Okay, because
Mm.
this is the another area. See, I'm following golden ratio rule over here. Okay, where in my golden ratio I want my sun, in rest of the area I want the rest of the planets over here. Okay, so now I have I have the sun here. So now this in effect control you can see you have CC sphere. This is what we have applied. This tool has been applied for the image. Now see, if you are rotating here, let's say if I press R, if I press R, you can rotate. Orientation is there, XYZ is there. So you can rotate, but this doesn't look good. But I want the sphere to rotate, means that I want my texture to rotate. Okay. So what you can do in CC sphere, you need to select this. In CC sphere, you have rotation X, Y, Z. Okay. Can you see? It's rotating now. Okay, let me turn this into resolution to half. See,
Mm.
understood. See, the sphere is rotating now. Okay, sun is rotating. Okay, now what I'll do. Meanwhile, there are many other things. Light is there. You can increase the intensity of the light. So sun, you can give a lot of intensity of the light. Let it be somewhat like this. And you can see here up to here, you can the sun is clearly visible, and here there are shadows. You can move the shadows also. Okay, light direction can be changed. As you change the light direction, it will automatically be moved. The height of the light can be increased. Okay, see, there are a lot of options are there. Okay, so now meanwhile you have shading option also. There are ambient, diffuse, specular. Okay, ambient is nothing but you are able to see the texture completely like that. Okay, diffuse you can reduce or you can increase like that. So you have specularity. How much specularity? You know what is specular, right? How much specularity is required? Specular, the shininess. Okay. So fine, I have
Yes.
done on minimal changes to this. Okay. So since this pure work is done, so what I'll do, animation part we will do later. How do we animate? All those things we will do later. Or else if you want, let us do an animation also. Okay, y-axis, see, it's rotating like this. So what I'll do, here in the first point, rotation y, there is a timer. Just click on the timer, means it will record the action. Now bring your timeliner to the end of the full video. Now here, rotation 1 you give. So that you see here, it's moving. Automatically the animation is happening, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now I want to place the sun over here. I don't want the sun to be here. So sun, I'm gonna place my sun here. So even I can scale a bit because sun is a very large planet. So I'm just placing it here. Okay, now sun part is done. Which is the next one? After sun, which will come?
Mercury.
Mercury. Good. So bring the Mercury on top of the sun. Bring Mercury on top of the sun. Control Alt F. Full screen. Means fit to screen. Control Alt F. Now tell me what I have to do. What is the next step?
Effect.
FX. Go to perspective. Then CC sphere. Now you see our Mercury over here. So what I have to do, I need to make Mercury as a 3D layer first. Okay. So sun z-axis has to be towards front, towards negative. So then Mercury will come here. Okay, let me make Mercury separately. This is fine. Mercury is over here is fine. And let me make this Mercury a bit smaller in size. Let me have Mercury here. Sun here, it is fine. Sun is fine. Some Mercury here. Let's animate Mercury. So rotation, what I'll do, key. Along with that, X and Y both I'm animating. So I'll just come over here. Okay, now see, Mercury is also rotating. Okay, and Mercury is not clearly visible. So light or shading, you can increase the ambience so that Mercury is visible up to some extent. Don't increase ambience too much. So you want a bit darkness over here because the sun, it's brighter here. So sun brighter, I don't want shadow over here, especially for the sun. So what I'll do, okay. So later, like in the future classes, I'll show you some plugins, how to add plugins and all, where you can give bit glow and all. Let's say, for example, we can generate many things. So light trace and all will do. Let's work on that. Fine, Mercury is done. Let's import the new one, Mercury, Venus. So I have Venus here. First thing is fit to screen, then effect, perspective, just go to CC sphere. You have Venus here. Turn this into 3D layer and just have to move a bit behind this one. Let me place this Mercury somewhere here, then Venus here. Venus, I have to make this a bit smaller. Okay, so let's animate this again. Y-axis and Z-axis. The end. Okay, there's an animation even for Mercury, Venus as well. Now comes Earth. Next, what I'll do, let me take Earth. Just a minute, guys. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll save this because let me connect again. Let us drop from this call and we'll join again. We have only 6 minutes of time, so we'll connect this call again. Okay, we'll continue.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks. Just give me a minute. I'll join.